today we're going to do part one to show you how we are going to set up our NEMA 1450 here in the garage. So let's start with where will it go. You can see we have outside here in the garage these two panels. It's going to go in this panel. It's probably going to go down in that particular spot right there. It's going to be a 50 amp switch. It's going to come out and it's going to go right around here someplace. I'm not positive of the area, but right around here. And you can see what I currently have set up today is I have my 110 outlet, and I have my charger that goes here in the car. So room wise, I have plenty of room to do this, and I know it's hard to see with the window in the way, but I have plenty of room to do this and to hang it up. So next step is let's take a look at where we are in fact going to hang this up. So what I've done is, again, I'm going to go from this panel. The plug will be here, and then I'm going to go ahead and bring it across and hang it up. And I've gone ahead and purchased from Amazon this holder, and it's actually a relatively simple piece in that it's got a bracket that comes with it, and the bracket goes behind it, and it just simply goes on the wall. Goes on the wall like this, and this will go into it like that. So it's a relatively simple thing that we're doing here, and we should have that done soon. I did get an estimate for the plug. I'm actually pretty happy with the estimate. Right now, because of the short distance that we're going to have, I had two people give me, I'll call it a bid. It wasn't really. One of them was not exactly sure. The other one, who I found on the Tesla site, did give me a price of $300 to put it in this area. In order to do it, they did have me take photos of both panels inside and out, and also where the car would be. And so they asked all of the right questions about this. So I'm very, very confident, and sometime in the next few days I expect to have the plug in and the actual NEMA connector. The 1450 is supposed to arrive tomorrow from Tesla. I did order it last week.